is HP Deskjet 4300 series. What I want to do is to show you how to connect this printer with a USB cable to your computer. This printer is currently connected to a Wi-Fi network. If you look at the Wi-Fi network image and also on the printer screen, the Wi-Fi image is steady blue light, and also on the screen you will see a Wi-Fi image reception. What we want to do is to first of all connect this to USB. We need to disable the Wi-Fi network. To disable it, you need to press this button once. The Wi-Fi is now switched off. If you look on the printer, you can see that the reception is no longer on the printer. And if you look on the HP Smart app, showing us the printer is offline. So in this case, or in this way, you should be able to switch the Wi-Fi on and off as you prefer. But what we want to do is to hook this up with a USB cable. So take the USB cable, go to the back of the printer, connect the cable to this port, and it's in. Take the other end of the cable, connect it to this port, and you will hear a tune. Now the next thing to do is you need to go to your laptop settings. Go to the laptop settings. Go to printers and scanners. Select add a device. After you add a device, then you need to wait and look for this printer. This printer is HP Deskjet 4300 series. So select HP Deskjet 4300 series, select on it. It's showing us IDO, print test page. Window printer test page. You have correctly installed your HP Universal Printing USB Group 3 port name USB 054 data raw. This is the test page we printed out with this printer. If you want to scan documents with USB cable, select scanner, then open scanner. Open the glass scanner and stick the document you want to scan face down. Scroll down from the list and look for HP Deskjet 4300 series. Select on it. Source, flatbed, file, PNG, show more. Resolution, scroll down, maximum is 1200 dpi. Select 300 dpi, for example. We want to save this document in document file, then select scan. This document is scanning. Then go on the top, select view file. This is the document we scanned. If you want to print it out, it's already saved to the computer. If you want to print it out, select print. Make sure you select the correct printer. Select portrait, then select print. This document is printing. This is the document we scanned to the computer, printed it out. If you want to do the full setup, then the next thing to do is you need to go to laptop search bar and type 123.hp.com. 123.hp.com. select on it, then type the printer name HP Deskjet 4310. Select next. Select start setup. Click next. Select next. Click next. Locate the USB port of the printer, then plug a USB into the port and connect the other side to the computer. Then select download driver. So download driver. Double click the driver to open. Double click the file to open. Select yes. Select continue. Select no. It's going to search for the printer. So the printer is found HP Deskjet 4300 series. Choose connection method USB cable connection, then select continue. Printer found HP Deskjet 4300. So you need to make sure the USB cable is connected properly to the laptop, then select continue. Agree to terms and conditions, select accept. Is installing HP basic software. Install HP Universal Scanner. Select continue. Is extracting. Setup complete. Congratulations, you have finished device setup. The software is installed. Your device is connected. Then you select finish. Now, if you want to scan document, stick the document you want to scan face down. Then you go to your laptop, desktop, and look for HP scan. Select HP scan. You wait for the scanner to be ready. A new version of HP scan is available, and this is the scanner. Then you select scan type, document, page size. Can scroll down to select A4. Image is color. One-sided scan or two-sided manual. Resolution, scroll down. 300 dpi is maximum. And save as PDF. Destination PDF. Send to local or find network if you like. Then select scan. This document is preparing to scan. This is the document we scanned. If you want to add a second page, for example, open up the glass scanner and stick the second page document you want to scan. Then you select add. You can also select the source is not yet. So select the second document, then you select scan. It will show you the printer series and the USB. So these are the documents we scanned. If you want to save it, then you select save. If you can rotate the document, select save. Then you decide where you want to save it. In documents, PDF, select scan. Select save. The document is now saved. Double click it to open. This is the document we scanned. If you want to print it out, go on top and select print. Then scroll down to select the correct printer. HP Deskjet 4300 series ready. Select on it. Select print on both sides. Select print. So this document is going to print. I want us to print it on both sides. Now reload the document. Reload it. Then select continue. This is the document we scanned and printed it out. If you want it to be in the same page, then you don't need to turn it the right way around. You just need to leave it and reload it to the computer. Let's say if you want to select print document, print on both sides, then select print. So you take the document, stick it back on the top, reload it to the rear paper tray. So make sure the information stay up. Then select continue. This is the document. You can see the information start from the top, and also if you look on the back, the information start from the top. So these are ways to scan documents with this printer. So these are ways to scan documents with this printer to the computer using a USB cable. Thank you very much indeed.